Hey guys, all right, so today I am going to show you guys, as promised, the tin sausages. So we are gonna figure out which one is real and which one is fake. All right, so as I've always been telling you guys, this is the sausage that is being sold in the supermarkets overseas. Hold on, Jared, let me show them one at a time. You see how this look? It mark in chicken broth. Wait now, baby. Wait. In chicken broth. There you go. And then them have the nerve to put grace on that. Why they not put them on a logo on it? Then this one is the real deal. The Jamaican grace. You see the chicken broth now there? And see who that? With champion Shelly and Fraser. Alright, see? This is the original Grace chicken sausage in can. See them there? Them different. That's why I now wonder how it tastes so different, because this is not from Jamaica. No, don't open it as it. Now I'm going to show you what this sausage looks like versus the original. Some of them are from